Hello student, in this video you are going to say about sterilization method, the paper of tissue culture. What is meant by sterilization? Sterilization is a making a substance free from all microorganisms both in vegetative and sporing state. So what is meant by spores? Spores is a reproductive structure that are produced from bacteria, plants, algae, fungi and some other protozoa. So these are the spores free from that they are called as a sterilization. What are the terms which are used during the sterilization? Disinfection. Disinfection means the destruction or removal of all pathogenic organisms capable of giving rise to infection. So disinfection means removal of all pathogenic organisms, those who are giving to infection. Disinfection does not affect spore state organism. So next, antisepsis. The term is used to indicate the prevention of infection, usually by inhibiting the growth of bacteria in wounds or tissues. It is called as a antisepsis. This is done by antiseptic. Chemicals or disinfectants which can be safely applied on skin or mucous membrane to prevent infection by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Next term is bactericidal agents or germicides. Those which are able to kill bacteria is called bacterial cides. Next, bacteriostatic agents only prevent multiplication of bacteria but they remain in alive. It's called bacteriostatic agents. Cleaning. Cleaning is important preparatory step before sterilization or disinfection by removing soils and other dirt. Decontaminations. The process of rendering an article or area free from contaminants including microbial, chemical, radioactive and other hazards is called decontamination. What are the methods which are involved during the sterilization? It is broadly classified into two types. One is physical methods, another one is chemical method. Let's see one by one. Physical agents. Those who are agents which are used to the sterilization by physical agents is called physical agents. Sunlight, dry heat, flaming, incinerations, hot air, moist. Hot means the heat that is classified into dry heat or moist heat, that is flaming, incineration, hot air. Moist heat means pasteurization, boiling, steam under pressure. Next, filtration by candles, asbestos parts, membranes. Radiation, ultrasonic and sonic vibration. These are the physical agents. What are the chemical agents? Alcohol, ethyl isopropyl, trichlorobutanol, aldehydes, formaldehyde, glutaldehyde, dyes, halogens, phenols, surface active agents, metallic salts. Some other gases are ethylene oxide, formaldehyde, beta propiolactone. These are the chemical agents. Next you are going to see about the physical method of sterilization. I already mentioned that what are the agents which are used for physically. The first one is sunlight. Action primarily due to the UV rays, however effect vary due to the place. In tropical countries, example, the germicidal effect is better than 4 censored countries. Bacteria in water are readily destroyed by sunlight. Drying means the moisture is essential for growth of bacteria. Dry herring are deleterious effect of many bacteria. Next, heat, the most reliable method of sterilization and should be the method of choice. The dry heat and moist heat method. What are the factors influencing sterilization by heat? Nature of the heat, dry or moist, temperature and time, number of organisms present, characteristics of organism, species, strain, sporing capacity, type of material, killing effect due to the protein denaturation, oxidative damage and toxic effect. These are the factors. Next, dry heat, by flaming, heating over fire till they become red hot. Instrumentation like point of forceps, spatulas, inoculating loops and wires. Next, hot air oven. The hot air oven or electrical device using sterilization. Then the oven use dry heat to sterilize articles. Generally, they can be opened from 50 to 300 Celsius. There is a thermostat controlling the temperature. This is the most widely used method of sterilization by dry heat method. What are the items which are used to sterilize? That is glasswares, forceps, scissors, scalpels, all glass syringes, swabs, liquid paraffin, dusting powders, fats, gases, etc. This is the hot air oven instrument. It is used to sterilization. What are the precautions taken during the sterilization? What are the advantages? They do not require water and do not much pressure. Suitable to be used in laboratory environment. They are much smaller than autoclaves but can still be as effective. What are the moist yeast? Can be categorized. The temperature below 100, temperature at 100 degrees Celsius, temperature above 100. This is the boiling temperature point. Steam under pressure methods. What are the steam sterilizer types and advantage? This is about the physical method. Next, we are going to say about chemical sterilization method. Thank you.